Today, we're going to show you how to connect your TP-Link Tapo C200 camera to the Tapo app. This will enable you to monitor your camera feed from anywhere, directly on your smartphone. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Search for Tapo and download the app developed by TP-Link. Open the Tapo app. If you're a new user, sign up for an account with your email address. If you already have an account, just log in. In the Tapo app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select your camera from the device options. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Tapo app. Connect your TP-Link Tapo C200 to power and switch it on. Wait for the camera to boot up, indicated by a flashing red and green light. Connect your phone to the Tapo device by joining the camera's network. Then return to the app and wait when the app finds your device. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Wait for the connection. Finalize the setup by following any additional prompts provided by the app, such as naming your device, choosing the room where the camera is placed, and setting up camera preferences. The app will offer you to try cloud services. You can skip it or start the free 30 days trial. Once setup is complete, check the live feed from your Tapo C200 on the Tapo app to ensure everything is working correctly. And there you have it. Your TP-Link Tapo C200 is now successfully connected to the Tapo app. You're all set to monitor your home or office right from your smartphone.